Have you ever wondered how you can earn from ChatGPT? Let's embark on a journey of discovery together. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It's trained to understand and respond to human language, making it a powerful tool for various applications. Imagine a virtual assistant that can answer your customers' queries 24/7, or a creative accomplice that can help you write engaging content. That's the potential of ChatGPT. From customer service to content creation, it's reshaping the way businesses operate. It's like having an extra set of hands, but in the digital world. But the real magic lies in its adaptability. It's not just for big corporations. Entrepreneurs, freelancers, developers, anyone can leverage this technology to enhance their productivity and open new revenue streams. So, are you intrigued yet? Now let us dive into how you can monetize this revolutionary technology. One way to earn from ChatGPT is by becoming a developer. Now you might be wondering, what skills are necessary to become a ChatGPT developer? Well, there are a few key areas to focus on. First, you need a strong foundation in Python, the programming language most commonly used in ChatGPT development. Knowledge of machine learning and artificial intelligence principles is also crucial, as these are the bedrock of ChatGPT technology. Understanding natural language processing, or NLP, is another important skill. This is the technology that allows ChatGPT to understand and respond to human language in a way that feels natural and intuitive. It's a complex field, but it's what makes ChatGPT so powerful and versatile. So, where can you learn these skills? There are many platforms out there that offer courses on Python, machine learning, AI, and NLP. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube have comprehensive tutorials that can help you get started. You could also consider formal education in computer science or a related field, but this is by no means necessary. Many successful developers are self-taught. And what about earnings? Well, as a ChatGPT developer, you have the potential to earn a substantial income. The exact amount can vary widely depending on your expertise, the projects you work on, and the demand for your skills. But to give you an idea, the average salary for AI developers in the United States is in the six figures. And with the increasing demand for ChatGPT applications, this is a field with a lot of potential for growth. But remember, while becoming a developer is certainly a viable path to earning from ChatGPT, it does require a significant investment of time and effort to learn the necessary skills. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a career path that rewards dedication, creativity, and a love of learning. Indeed, becoming a developer can be a lucrative path, but it's not the only way to earn from ChatGPT. Another way to monetize ChatGPT is by providing services that utilize this technology. Let's delve into the myriad of services you can offer, harnessing the power of this cutting-edge technology. One prime example is customer service automation. Businesses of all sizes are constantly seeking ways to improve their customer experience while reducing overhead costs. With ChatGPT, you can offer an automated, intelligent, and responsive customer service system that operates around the clock. It can handle frequently asked questions, guide customers through processes, and even help troubleshoot issues. This can significantly reduce the need for human customer service representatives, saving companies a considerable amount of money. But the possibilities don't stop there. Consider content creation, for instance. ChatGPT can generate human-like text, making it a valuable tool for content creators. You can offer services for blog writing, social media posts, product descriptions, and so much more. It's like having an army of writers at your disposal, ready to churn out content at a moment's notice. Then there's language translation, tutoring, and even personal assistant services. The possibilities are virtually limitless. With a bit of creativity and innovation, you can tailor your services to meet the specific needs of your potential clients. And speaking of potential clients, they can range from small startups to multinational corporations. Any business that interacts with customers, produces content, or needs assistance with tasks could potentially benefit from your services. As for earnings, they can vary widely. It all depends on the complexity of the service, the size of the client, and the market rates. But one thing is for certain, there's a growing demand for these services, and where there's demand, there's potential for profit. Remember, incorporating ChatGPT into your service offerings isn't just about making money. It's about embracing the future, staying ahead of the curve, and providing value to your clients. It's about leveraging technology to create solutions that make life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Offering services using ChatGPT can open a new revenue stream for your business. Creating a ChatGPT application is another way to monetize this technology. Let's dive into the process of creating a ChatGPT application. It all begins with an idea, a concept that can benefit from the integration of AI conversation. It could be a customer service application, or perhaps a language learning tool, or even a mental health chatbot. The possibilities are endless, and that's the beauty of this technology. Once you have your concept, the next step is to build your application around it. This involves designing the user interface, developing the backend, and most importantly, integrating the ChatGPT. This is where your skills as a ChatGPT developer come into play. You'll need to train your model, fine-tune it, and make sure it understands its purpose within your application. Now let's talk about potential markets. The demand for AI-powered applications is on the rise. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to automate their operations, and a ChatGPT application can do just that. It can handle customer inquiries, assist in language learning, or provide companionship, to name a few. The key is to identify a need in the market and create an application that can fill that gap. And finally, let's discuss potential earnings. The revenue from a ChatGPT application can come from various sources. It could be a subscription-based model, where users pay a monthly fee for using your application. Or it could be a pay-per-use model, where users are charged based on their usage. Alternatively, you could provide your application as a service to businesses and charge them a fee. The earning potential is considerable, but it largely depends on the value that your application brings to its users. In conclusion, creating a ChatGPT application is not just about building an app. It's about creating a solution that meets a need, a solution that leverages AI to make lives easier or businesses more efficient. It's an opportunity to be at the forefront of technological innovation, to be a part of the AI revolution. Creating a ChatGPT application can be a game changer for entrepreneurs. Selling ChatGPT training models is another way to earn from this technology. Now you might be wondering, what does selling training models entail? Let's break it down. Training a ChatGPT model is like teaching it how to converse. You're essentially providing it with a knowledge base to pull from during its interactions. This process requires an extensive dataset and a significant amount of computational power. Imagine teaching a child how to speak, but instead of words and sentences, you're dealing with algorithms and data points. Once your model is trained, it's ready to be sold. But who are the potential buyers? They could be businesses looking to implement their own chatbot services, developers seeking a head start for their applications, or even research institutions needing models for their studies. The possibilities are vast, as many sectors are now recognizing the value of artificial intelligence. So, how much can you earn from selling these models? The answer is not straightforward. It depends on the complexity and effectiveness of your model, the market demand, and your negotiation skills. However, with the right model and strategy, you can make a substantial income. Think of it as selling a piece of art you've meticulously crafted. The price tag is not just for the end product, but also for the effort, time, and resources you've invested into it. However, remember that it's not just about the money. By selling ChatGPT training models, you're contributing to the growth of AI technology. You're providing a tool that can help businesses improve their services, developers create better applications, and researchers make new discoveries. You're not just earning, you're also innovating. So, if you have the technical know-how and the determination, why not give it a shot? Train a ChatGPT model, put it out there in the market, and see where it takes you. You might just find that selling training models can be a profitable venture for those with the right skills. ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology that offers various avenues for monetization. From our discussion, we've seen that one can tap into this goldmine in a number of ways. Becoming a ChatGPT developer, for instance, opens up a world of opportunities. With the right skill set, you can create and fine-tune models that cater to a wide range of needs and industries. Providing ChatGPT services is another lucrative path. By offering customized solutions to businesses, you become a vital player in their success story. Creating a ChatGPT application can also be a game changer. This requires a bit more technical expertise, but the rewards can be quite substantial. Lastly, selling ChatGPT training models can be a profitable venture, especially as the demand for AI and machine learning continues to surge. The future is bright with ChatGPT, and the opportunities are only limited by your imagination.